Hi guys, and welcome back to this short video on the app Drawing Purger that you'll find on the Autodesk App Store, written by Ajali V. Hopefully I got that right. He's made this freely available, and this is a great little app for purging multiple drawings or batch purging. So once you just download it and sign in, download it, and get it onto your local machine. And if we jump to Civil 3D now, it makes available some commands: DWG Purge and DWG Batch Purge. So we're going to do a batch purge here, mainly because we can run a purge to start with. So we just fire that up. Asks you if you want to run the program, and then it basically purges your drawing, tells you what it's purged out of the local drawing, and finished. But if you do a batch purge, which is really great for civil drawings, because normally you're splitting your data out across multiple DWGs and X-referring them into each other, and a lot of people aren't that great at housekeeping, and so you end up with a lot of unwanted information in your DWGs. So I'll just put a path here, and it's scanning the files to load the DWGs that it finds in that folder. So it's found 5 or 6 DWGs, and so if we want to purge the data out of them, it's easy enough. So we've got a number of settings. Do you want to overwrite it? Do you want to add a suffix? Do you want to do every drawing, every subdirectory, etc.? Do you want to do Xrefs? However you want to prompt when you're doing Xrefs, I always do the Xrefs by default. Then you can have a list of Xrefs. You got some additional tools. You can change this drawing view to model space and zoom extents. Why not? You can change the units, because normally people are notoriously bad at setting the units. You can set the current layer to 0, and you can also delete files, other files out of the folder if you want to. And that's it. And so pretty much it's going to run through these drawings now when I press purge, and it's going to tell you out to the side what it's found and what it's purged. So I'll just go purge, and hopefully it doesn't take too long. Well, we had a few technical difficulties there. It definitely found one drawing that was corrupting a whole project on that one, so I've changed to another smaller project that's finished a few years ago now, and ran the purge operation on it, and it's gone through and it's cleaned out everything pretty easily. And you'll see there's some DNG line styles in there, which is a bit strange because we don't deal with that many people that do use MicroStation. And that's it. One thing I forgot to touch on earlier was there's also the audit database command here. So quite often with Civil 3D you have to run that, so you can do a batch run of the audit at the same time if you've got that clicked on. Anyway, that was a quick review of this tool, which will definitely save me time, because I used to manually do purges and audits on files all the time. So I hope you enjoyed that and found it useful.